Right, we're back again with another stupid idea. Mini bike madness. Oh mate, you know what would be so good? See if we had like 4 people with mini bikes, we could do like 4 cross down the trail. My pedals are hitting the ground every time I take a pedal stroke. Whoa! Oh mate, I got a chunk of mud in my eye. It's concerning how easy that is to move. Oh, this has got to be the dumbest thing we've done in a while. I have another go here. A T-bog. There's an idea. Oh, I'm gonna wreck myself. It's definitely not my brightest moment. Oh wait, I'm gonna take the hardtail for a spin. Yeah, I know they say it's easier to trick wee bikes, right? But when a bike's that much smaller, yeah, not so easy. Oh. Oh man, I can't help myself but try and bail from the bike because I feel like this thing's gonna try and kill me. Yo! Yo, I can't stop! Huh? Oh yeah. Ah, what should I do next? Superman.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is gonna hurt. Yeah. Mate, see, as soon as I cleared the first one, I was like, no way, I'm going too quick.
You landed like here.
Yeah. I just rip her out of there. Indestructible.
Oh.
Big one. I am genuinely scared for this one. Ah, this is not smart. This is really dumb. Oh! Oh! Oh man, I shouldn't have held on to that.
Yeah.
Oh, why? Oh, I'm going way too quick. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Mate, I didn't mean to land on the top. I landed sideways on the top. Oh. So close. Right. This is the one, I'm telling you.
Oh.
Oh. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Go on. Whip! Right, now we're taking the normal bikes for a wee lap. Right off, after riding those wee things, this thing feels massive. It feels like I'm driving a boat. Oh, right enough, I might just take both feet off. Do you want to get a wee clip for us? Oh, yeah, taking a foot off, like, it is actually real easy. Like, I'd go as far as saying taking a foot off is easier than taking a hand off. One here, you know what I've just noticed? I've bent my crank. Look how close that is.
Oh yeah, it's definitely bent.
Yep, right. Whip off on the mini bikes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I just know this isn't going to end good.
Oh no, we're gonna like bend the wheel or something.
Ah, well. I did not think I was getting over that bike.
Right, my turn.
So,
That's actually getting in.
man, that's straighter than my wheel. Oh, I don't think anyone understands how scary it is being on a mini bike until you're actually on one. You didn't even throw it out. You didn't even throw it out. Fair to say I'm winning the whip off on these things, but try not to absolutely wreck myself this time. Oh! Yo, the grass is slipping. Hey! Oh! Bike check.
Yep.
This is my rig for today, the giant MTX 150FS. This thing rips.
Right.
Come on, follow Cam.
Coming. Oh, Jim. So, this is my rig. We have the Apollo X Pander. Pretty nice. As you see, got the lovely stickers there. So, we have the forks. We got the reflector here. Riding in the dark.
Safety
riding
first.
On the road. Got these lovely pedals. Come look, see. Look at the amount of grip on those. Especially today in the wet. Everything's on them. So we've got this lovely bash guard. I think it was custom made for this bike. So we have a Shimano Tourney SIS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speed. Single speed in the front. Let's go hit some shrubs. Go for a rip.
How's that for cushy? You could race a World Cup on that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, feeling soft.
That's where I fell down a couple of years ago.
Aye. And you
Well.
survived, so.
Yeah, you should be grand.
Right, I'll just go.
We're gonna have to go get that now.
I'll be back.
Oh, I'm gonna try and jump this bike again. Try and actually clear the jumps. Ah, we rip on the dirt jumper. Never actually been on a proper dirt jumper before. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I can't lie, that actually does feel so good. Oh, this bike feels so nice. Mate, I feel more comfortable on this than I do my own bike. Ah! I went deep.